Spices didn't just make merchants and traders sail across the globe, it established vast empires and helped Europeans discover new continents. Can you unearth what wonders are to be found in this powerful potion? Prepare a lemon zest coin garnish. Chill a Nicanora glass and put to one side. Collect a mixing glass and fill with cubed ice. To this, add 3 dashes of Mr. Lee's Ancient Chinese Secret Bitters that pays homage to ancient Chinese herbal remedies. The Bitter Truth Valernum is an exotic spiced liqueur on the base of the finest Caribbean rum, flavored with almond, ginger, lime, and vanilla. Geneva is the precursor to London Dry Gin, a botanically rich, malt grain-based spirit that can only be made in Holland or Belgium. Ruby Port is so named because of its vibrant ruby color, fresh, fruit-filled flavors, and aromas. Distilled in Goa, Stranger & Sons Gin is made using 8 locally sourced botanicals, including black pepper, coriander, nutmeg, and mace. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds. Discard ice from the Nicanora glass. Pour. Express the lemon zest coin over the top of the cocktail and carefully float on top. Add to this 3 drops of Indian spices. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.